Have you seen RockAuto.com while browsing for auto parts online and wondered how the site works? Let's take a closer look at what this platform has to offer. RockAuto is an online auto parts store that's been around since 1999. It offers a massive catalog of parts for cars, trucks, and SUVs, ranging from basic replacement components to performance upgrades. The site is organized by vehicle make and model, making it easy to filter through parts for your specific needs. One of the standout features is the pricing. RockAuto often lists parts at lower costs than local auto stores and offers multiple brand options, so you can choose between economy and premium tiers. Each part listing typically includes detailed specifications, warranty info, and sometimes user reviews or images. The website design is functional, focusing more on utility than aesthetics. It's known for its no-frills approach and quick access to parts. This video is based on publicly available information and is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making a purchase. This is not advice, and we are not responsible for any outcomes related to your use of this information.